Master, today we have a 2018 Toyota Rav 4. We have the hatch off. This goes for multiple years and multiple models. I'm going to show you how to get the tail light out. So again, this is a little different because the hatch is off. So you raise the hatch and you'll see these two bolts here. They're 10 millimeter. So we're going to get 10 millimeter. Spin them off 10 millimeter. You don't want to lose these. These are kind of a specialty nut. Okay. And then you want to take this trim panel off. You can see the two cutouts here. I'm going to pop that open with a screwdriver. Alright, get that out. Don't lose the screws. And if you look down in there, you'll see another 10 millimeter. So let's get that out. See that? Alright, so at this point I got the new one that goes in there. I can see there's 5 studs. So we got this one out, this one out, this one out. There's another one, and then there's going to be one under the center hatch. So we're going to go back into this. And I'm going to open the center port. We're going to open it the same way we did the one on the side. I'm going to use a little thinner screwdriver maybe. And we're going to see if there's one in there. We'll look. Let me see. I'm going to take the trim panel off. All right, let's get this one out. I'm going to have to do this one by hand, either a wrench or take the trim panel off. In this case, I'm going to take the trim panel off. I got to replace it anyway, so we're going to start doing that. And what we're going to do is take the top piece off, put a little pressure clips. Around, keep working it around. See these little clips holding it. Should take the top off first, but just slide this way. Yeah, that's the way you're going to take the side up. And it should slide this way. Alright. Got that off. That's very easy to do. Setting up this on a fly. See the other 10 there? Looks like there's one down in here in this hole. And one there. So extension. Get them out. That was easy. And the other one fell in. When we tilt this down, we'll get that out. We'll use a replacement, but hopefully we'll get it out because you don't want to hear it rattle in there. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. See, there is a little socket here. And we're going to get that out. Press the little wire tab, and there's that. And when we flip this over, the light will pop out. I believe this is an LED light. So there's no bulbs. And that's how you would change it. You would change the whole assembly. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. And please subscribe.